Hello, how are you? Welcome to a Rockbot class, continuing with Level 3. Today we're going to look at virtualization. What is virtualization? It's another tool that allows us to automate in this case. It could be applications or any area where it's not possible to do so with ROX commands or modules. We always recommend using the desktop recorder as the first step, which is a tool that will record the steps you indicate, for example, in a desktop application. What desktop recorder does is identify the selectors and carry out the different actions within the application. But what happens then? This isn't always possible, since it depends a lot on the technology and the age of the application you're working with. So, in those cases, we recommend choosing the virtualization option. So, what happens with VirtuAV virtualization? Virtualization works, just so you get an idea, like taking pictures, like screenshots. So, what happens then? When you set up a screenshot and tell the robot to click on a certain element, it's very sensitive to changes, because, for example, let's use a descriptive example so you can understand, and later, when we get into in the following videos, we'll see why. If you have an image at a certain resolution, the robot will use that image, and if in the next execution the image is different or the resolution has changed, the robot will stop recognizing or using that image, because since it works with images, the images have to be 100% identical for the robot to be able to use them. Alright, so with that clarification made, let's move on to the next videos and I'll see you there.